Are you planning a trip to Busch Gardens Tampa Bay? Here are 4 rides you absolutely can't miss if you want to make your visit unforgettable. Busch Gardens Tampa Bay is where thrills, animals, and adrenaline collide. Whether you're a seasoned coaster enthusiast or just seeking an unforgettable adventure, this park delivers it all. Today, we're narrowing things down to 4 rides every visitor needs to experience. Let's dive in. Montu is the first ride on the list. Standing 150 feet tall and reaching speeds of 60 miles per hour, this inverted coaster will literally take your breath away. It opened back up in 1996 as the tallest and fastest inverted coaster. It's also referred to by many coaster enthusiasts as the best inverted coaster ever built. Soar through 7 inversions while weaving through Egyptian-themed trenches and tight turns. This coaster isn't just fast, it's smooth, intense, and absolutely relentless. Prepare for weightlessness and to be squashed in your seat from all those G-forces on this legendary ride. Next up is Falcon's Fury. This is a massive drop tower located right in the middle of the park. This intimidating drop tower opened back in 2014 as the tallest freestanding drop tower in North America. This tower stands 335 feet and flips the game on free falls. What makes Falcon's flight unique? At the top, your seats tilt 90 degrees, so you're facing straight down at the ground. I'll tell you what, at this point, my heart was beating out of my chest. Third on the list is the dive coaster SheiKra. This coaster holds several records, including being the first dive coaster in North America. It opened as the tallest, fastest, and longest dive coaster. It also was the first dive coaster with a splashdown and an inversion. And don't sleep on that splashdown. I love watching the big wave it creates here. And I'll tell you what, looking over at that drop going up the lift hill is pretty intimidating. Standing 200 feet tall, you'll have a while up here to enjoy the scenery of the entire park and Tampa Bay area. As you creep around this turn, you will eventually hit the holding brake right here, which creeps you over the edge and dangles you 200 feet. Personally, I prefer the front row for this reason. Last of all, we have Iron Gwazi, the king of hybrid coasters. This is North America's tallest and the world's fastest and steepest hybrid coaster. It also received the Golden Ticket Award for being the best new coaster in 2022. And what makes hybrid coasters so great is they're known for their smoothness. And this lift hill is intimidating, standing 206 feet and then reaching 76 miles per hour off the drop. This ride is packed full of airtime, insane bank turns, and relentless speed throughout the ride. And there you have it, 4 can't miss rides at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay that will leave your heart racing and your adrenaline pumping. Which ride are you most excited to try? And if you've already visited the park, do you agree with this list? And if I've missed anything, please add them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and ride on.